Hi guys, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hey guys, so it is Monday and it's my RDO. So, nag-jogging me. And then, ito naman ni mata. I woke up like almost 7 in the morning and nag-prepare pa. So, now, mga happy na mag-8 in the morning. So, init na kayo mong nahirap may place nga pwedeng majaggingan nga nagaglandong. And so we are here in Barangay San Antonio, Sibulan. Tagan kayo, nindot kayo diri guys. As in like, tagan kayo mga kahoy. Bugnaw pa dyan kaayo. And they have a golf course here. Wait lang. So they have a shooting range over there. And then that's husband. Yato ako niya guys, yakong gikuyugan. And then at the back of that trees is the golf course. And then napod at the back ani nga mga kahoy. Yan. So kana siya guys, that's the golf course. And then katong na ay mga net. So part na siya sa golf course. And then that area, diba? Amazing. Whew.